We are learning to use different ways to start our sentences. I am going to write 2 sentences about this apple, and each sentence that I write is going to start in a different way. My first sentence is going to say, "The apple is red." Remember to use your alphabet chart to help you use your fast words and your letters for your hearing words. The apple is red. My next sentence is going to say, "It is juicy." It is juicy. Now look at my sentences. My first sentence starts with the word the. My second sentence starts with the word it. I have used a different sentence starter for each sentence. Now I am going to write 2 sentences about this dog, and each of my sentences is going to start in a different way. For each sentence that I write, I'm going to use my fast words and my letters to help me with my writing. My first sentence is going to say, "My dog is cuddly." My dog, D-O-G, is cuddly. My next sentence is going to say, "He is fast." He is fast. Have a look at my 2 sentences. My first sentence starts with the word my. My next sentence starts with the word he. Both of my sentences have different sentence starters. Now I am going to write 2 sentences about Greedy Cat. My alphabet chart is going to help me with my fast words and my letters for my hearing words. My first sentence is going to say, "Greedy Cat ate the sticky buns." Greedy cat ate the sticky buns. My next sentence is going to say, "Mum was cross." Mum was cross. Have a look at my sentences. My first sentence starts with the word greedy. My next sentence starts with the word mum. Both of my sentences start with different sentence starters. In your writing this week, I'd like to see you starting each sentence that you write with a different word.